Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with the battery negative disconnected to avoid electronics issues and airbag faults. Park the car on level ground, set the parking brake, and slide both front seats fully rearward to gain room. This prevents strain and accidental contact with the trim. You need Torx T20 and T25 drivers, an 8mm socket, and plastic trim tools to avoid scratches, plus a small flathead for clips. Keep a parts tray for 10 to 15 fasteners, so nothing gets lost, and label bolts as you remove them. Pry trim around the shifter gently with plastic tools to release clips without breaking them. Start at the rear edge and work forward so clips pop free evenly. Loosen and remove the shift knob by unscrewing or releasing the locking clip depending on model, then lift the leather boot off its frame. Remove 2 Torx T20 screws under the cup holder and one 8mm bolt behind the ashtray, keeping each fastener labeled. Lift out the cup holder assembly to expose the center console mounting points, avoiding any wiring harness tension. Disconnect electrical connectors for heated seats, 12V, and auxiliary ports before lifting the console, pressing the retaining tabs and keeping connectors labeled for reassembly. Remove 4 Torx T25 console mount screws, 2 forward and 2 rearward, then lift the console gently to clear the dashboard edge and route any wiring out. When reinstalling, reverse the procedure. Seat the console, reinstall the 4 T25 screws, the 2 T20 and 8mm fasteners, reconnect all wiring, reinstall the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.